Hey there, RPI families. Scott Panazzo, principal here at RPI, coming to you to talk a little bit about some changes we're going to make to our drop and pickup area. Been watching pretty intently over the last couple of days, and we've done an amazing job. Parents, you've done a great job of demonstrating patience, really just being graceful with people that aren't kind of complying to the please pull forward, give us all the space we can use. And I thank you for that. However, what I have noticed is during especially our pickup time, we have a lot of cars that come in and sit and wait, which understandably that's going to be the case. But we are lined up all the way down Getty Street, some onto Giles, some waiting in the RPEL parking lot. And I'm just concerned about safety. Safety for parents parked along the road, safety for kids trying to find you. And we also have had people parked along this fence, and let's be honest, sometimes Getty Street is not the safest. So the change we're going to make is going to be pretty simple. We're going to designate the front parking lot here or on the west side of the building where doors 2, 1, and 24 have already been designated for our fifth graders. We're going to designate that as a fifth grade drop off and pickup. This is going to start on Monday the 21st. But sixth grade parents, if you still would like to use the front, please feel free. I'm just trying to spread out the amount of traffic flow. And this will really make an impact at the end of the day more than the beginning. But we can, for simplicity's sake, we'll say fifth grade out front, sixth grade out back. So sixth grade parents, you're going to enter off of Giles Road here onto Stadium Drive by the Reese Puffer Elementary playground areas. You'll see the soccer complex right here, the JV baseball field, etc. You're going to be sharing this space with with our buses, so we need to talk a little bit about some of the ways that we can do that and do that safely. Our buses will come in and drive along Stadium Drive, and they park up here on the north side of the building, which is by the Meyer Trail. And if I pan out here, there's Meyer as well. Okay. So you're going to come in and you're going to hug the left side of the Stadium Drive. That's right along here. If I were to scroll in, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a black fence that lines this whole area, and you can see that there are little spaces for our kids to get off. That's where our elementary kids get off the buses. So we're going to have you line yourself at the end of the day on the left side of Stadium Drive, leaving plenty of room for the buses to get by. And whether it's drop off or pickup, you're going to come in here, you're going to hang a left immediately by the cafe, and then pickup will be where these white dashed lines are, all the way around on this grassy area right here. So from this parking space here, all the way back to essentially the trash cans, that'll be a designated pickup and drop-off space. This makes sense because we're currently asking our sixth graders to enter into door 7 or door 6 or door 5. So at the end of the day, what they're going to be able to do, unless they're getting lunch, they will exit out of the door that they came in on. The only place this might cause a bit of a pickle would be kids that are in Mrs. Nikolash's room, which is right here, or Mrs. Moore's room because they're entering through door 4. You can work that out with your kids. Again, we're just trying to slow down the traffic flow on the front side at the end of the day. If your kids are getting lunch, that's totally fine. We're going to keep that right here at door 5. They can exit door 5 and walk around to get you, or they can grab their food, walk back through the building. There's a hallway right here, and come out door 8, which is right here by I think this is Mrs. Duchesne's room and Mrs. Kingman's room. The kids know right where it is. The LMC is right here. They know how to get out there. They've done that for a number of days already. So just a quick recap. Sixth grade parents, when you enter off of Giles starting on Monday, please hug that left side. You're going to come in right here, go immediately to the left. All of our drop-off and pickup space will be right here so that your kids can walk to door 6, door 6, door 7, or door 5. Please do not go in this area. Once you see the dugout right here at the JV baseball field, please do not pass that area. I'm trying to keep, we have a huge transition that takes place here in the morning. We have over 20 buses that transfer all the high school, middle school, and RPI kids right here. And we have some alternative busing that's going to be set up in this area. So parents, do not drive in this area. All you're going to be asked to do once you're drop off and pick up is to loop back out and back onto Giles Road. And then please just give right of way to the buses. So if you are seeing a bus coming at you, there is a ton of graveled space right in through here. You can go ahead and you can see there's a couple cars here actually right now. You can go ahead and pull off to the side, allowing those buses to pass through. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great weekend and go Rockets.